Hello everyone, just a quick tutorial on how I get my settings and colors and blurs and everything on my edit. So here we go. So I have my test clip, so I'm gonna drag it in there. So I have my clip at 120 FPS when I record it. So I'm gonna have my project at 120 FPS. So try to record your videos as clear as possible and as high frame rate as possible, so then you have more frames to work with. So yeah, it's just like a quick little one tap, and then I have more kills afterwards, but we don't care about those kills. So I'm gonna use my arrow keys just to move around the playhead, and then I'm gonna find where the notification comes in. I'm just gonna press M to put a marker there, so then we can sync it with the music. Okay, so we have our song here imported, so it's the exact same song as we used last time. So we're going to press the M key again. Make sure you clicking the clip that you want to use. Otherwise, if you have this clip selected and you want to mark this clip, the marker is going to go somewhere else. So make sure you select the right clip. We're just going to drag that. So I go like this, I press B, or you can press the shortcut right here. And this is going to be us pulling out our gun. It can be like the introduction, but then you see how it's gonna be like replaying here. We're gonna slow this down so then we can skip these parts. I like to go around 25%, so around like 30 frames per second, and you just do a little like jump, kind of like that.